Hi, it's George again over at eimports4Less, here this morning filming a short video about a vehicle that just came into us this morning. There's a 2017, it's a BMW X3, there's a 2.8 xDRIVE, so it's an all-wheel drive model. It's a car that we bought from BMW Financial Services. It was leased originally. We purchased it from them at the end of the lease. Real nice clean car, 41,000 miles. Let's take a quick walk around it. Exterior on this one is mineral silver metallic, so it's got a little bit of beige in it, a little bit of gray. Real nice clean overall condition. You can see the panoramic moonroof up there. We'll tell you a little bit about the options on this one because this one's kind of special. So it's got adaptive cruise control, the radar-based cruise, which is a pretty difficult option to find even on a 7 Series. Most of those don't have it, but on an X3 it's pretty rare. But it's got navigation. You can see it's a premium package vehicle. It's got driver assist and it's got driver assist plus. Again, another really rare feature on an X3. So active blind spot assist, lane keep assist, pedestrian warning, that stuff. So really nice clean overall car. Again, 41,000 miles, mineral silver metallic is the technical BMW color name for this. You can see the front camera there between the grills. It's got a backup cam. I think I said navigation already, but it's got the cameras under the mirrors as well, so side and top view cams, so all the safety stuff. You can see all the pictures of this vehicle on our website at eimports.com. You'll find a Carfax report and all the other info that you can possibly need about a vehicle out there. So again, check it out at eimports.com. If you want to talk to somebody who knows about this car, give us a buzz here at the dealership at 215-249-9100. Thanks for checking it out.